So today first we will see the rating bar, and after rating bar, image view, image button. So those we will see now. So rating bar normally we will use for ratings to ask from the user side, right? So those cases how we need to take the rating from the user. So that we will see now here. So I'll create a new project for that. So new project. Empty activity. So rating bar. So rating bar. So normally from user side, we will take the rating as 5 as maximum. So that here we will see, but 5 we can take, and if you want more also you can take also, like you want a 6 star or 4 stars, that also you can collect from here. So that's how it will happen. See. So while loading this, okay, it's already the project is exists. Instead of creating the project, it is open the previous project with the name, same name, project as exist. So now I'll create the rating. Otherwise, I'm creating a new specified location. So let's see all projects will be next. So I'm changing this to linear layout. So for linear layout, orientation is mandatory, right? So I'm taking here orientation. So orientation. So that orientation we will take as vertical here. So vertical. So then let's say it as attribute. So rating, for example. Okay, then first we will add the data binding for this. So if you want to add data binding here, we need to add data binding enabled equal to true. So then here we will add the rating one. So I'm taking the match parent and wrap content ID. Rating. So for this, we can apply margin and padding. What happened? We already given the orientation vertical is not taking. Oh. So see how many stars has came now? Around 70
Yes.
stars. So in case
Right.
if I change orientation, so again count as index means depends on your system, your font size automatically is entering. So it should not like that, right? So it should be fixed for 5.
Yeah.
See, if you give the wrap content, it is fixed as
5. Only 5.
5. So that is 5. But in case if you want to increase, here there is a property called num stars. So 6. Now it is this. But default normally we'll use for 5 stars only, so no need of this num star property.
Done.
So then for this we will apply here. So activity main binding. Activity main binding. Binding. Whatever. Still it is not anything. Okay. Let me add binding equal to data binding within the so here context. So the context is main activity context. Okay. So here we not added the data binding rate. So because of that, it is not generating. So until you add the layout, it could not generate.
Done, sir.
Now it will. Activity. Main. Okay, now applying the listener for this rating bar. So rating that. So for this, we will use the different listeners that is
Already change this.
so new and rating bar change listener. So it came multiple things. One is the rating bar, float value, because user can select the 0.5 also. So
Okay.
3.5 like that, Boolean, is checked or not. So just I'm writing here. So this data I'm setting. So instead of setting the text view, I'm writing for the toast. So toast is nothing but it's a one pop-up message. So to alert the user. So this is in many places we will use. So this is the syntax of toast. So what is the base for this? This is first is the context. Context means which refers superclass. Here message. Here the message. Here duration. So this is the syntax for the toast. So context means which refers superclass. So that now we are in main activity. So main activity does this. In case you are login activity, login does this. Like that, it will come this. And if you are in a fragment, so that fragment does the name of the fragment does this. Like that, it will come in different cases. Or you can write the get application context also. Get application. That depends on the situation. We'll write. Some places we will write the get context also. So by end of the course, you will see all these things. And this message. So this message also we can write in many ways. Like one is the directly right now I'm writing some message like this. You can write like this, or you can write some message from the functional, or you can write the message which is coming from the server side when you are using the web service. So it is coming from the server side, right? So that also we can write like that. Many things you can write here. So now here I'm writing the both combination. I'm writing some my manual message. Then I'm taking the rating. So this value, float value, this value I'm writing here means how much the user has selected. So that we want to display on the toast. So we will run this program. Just let me connect my mobile. And this length also we can show in two ways. One is the short, other is the long. And in the previous days, manual also it accepted, but nowadays it's accepting only either uh, short or long, only two cases. So it's running. Meanwhile, I'll open the Wiser. You'll see once it is done, we'll see. So, but this toast is very, very important because even though you are out of the application, also this toast will display. Like I clicked on multiple times, I went out, so it will display. Like when you reach the any Wi-Fi available area, so it says that Wi-Fi available. So that is also one kind of toast only. So that kind of things how we will handle that we will see this is the case. Here directly we will write the this that can come even you are out of the application also. So this is the toast belongs to dialogues family. It is one of the dialog, but it can disappear after some time based on the short or length. In case if it is a short, it will display 3 seconds. In case if it is a long, it will display 6 seconds.
Okay.
So that depends on the requirement. Most of the cases is the long only. Is installing. See, now I'm selecting the star. See 1.5. How can I select this 1.5 means if you touch less than 50%, it will take this 1.5. If you touch more than 50%, it will take this. So for that, I don't want like this. I want completely the 1 star at a time. So for that, we will write here one thing, that is a step size. Step size default is 0.5. So you can write directly 1. So that it will select, if you touch anywhere, it will take automatically 1. And I want, while displaying itself, I want to be rating to select. So here you can give the 2. Rating 2. Automatically that rating should be affected while opening the app. Yes, see, 2 stars are selected. So wherever you touch, it has selected only 1. Right. So now this is about the rating. Then we will see next is the seek path, like brightness increment, volume control. So like that it will come. So the ID seek path. So for this also we will give the some margin, some padding. So this too is given. Right. So then we'll apply listener for this also and we will run this. So that is binding dot seek dot. So for this again the different listener. So that is set on seek path change. So new on seek path change listener. On seek path change listener has automatically created 3 methods. One is the progress change, other is the start, other is the stop. But mostly we will use only the first case. Remaining 2 cases we cannot use. Even though this we will use very rare cases in our development also. Because this kind of use normally we won't create in any application. So here also I'll give that what is the progress user actor. Means here integer value. See, above listener and this is almost same, but there it came as a float value. Here it is an integer value because user cannot select that 1.5 like only either he can select the 1 or 2 like that. No, like this. But what is the maximum? Maximum we can select 100. It is coming.
ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ 1 to 10 కావాలంటే సార్ దాంట్లో ఆ స్కేల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఓన్లీ 1 to 10 కావాలి.
Okay. So see, I'll see. Now we are out of application. Still toast is this. So in case if you want like to ask 1 to 10, so here we will give the min 1, max 10.
మ్యాక్స్ 10.
So now we will draw. So it will display minimum is 1, maximum is like this we may use like age selection kind of thing, but it should be a little bit difficult to use to select this. Normally this kind of now we will see in a loan calculator, right? Select duration, like those cases normally this we will see that. I'm pressing in lot, it is 10. This last one.
కింద ఇవి 1 2 3 4 అట్లా డిస్ప్లే కావద్దు నాకు. అక్కడే నాకు కనిపించాలి ఎంత అనేది అక్కడే కనిపించాలి. 1 to 5 1 5 సెలెక్ట్ చేశారా 2 సెలెక్ట్ చేశారా అని
మనం టోస్ట్ పెట్టుకున్నాం. ఓకే, సో టోస్ట్ బదులు ఏం చేసినావు, ఇక్కడ దీని కింద ఇక్కడ టెక్స్ట్ వ్యూ తీసుకొని ఆ టెక్స్ట్ వ్యూ డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాం. మ్యాచ్ ఫర్ wrap ID. So binding that, give it a off. Progress. Done. See now okay, so this is integer value is coming, right? So here we are setting the, this is normally here it is expecting the string. So here we will do like this so that it will come. So we are concatenating with the string value that it is saying that the string resource, because it is here it will accept only the string form.
సార్
Okay, 10, 5, 4. So just you can customize this time.
కింద ఇది కనిపించదు సార్. ఇప్పుడు అది మీరు ఇక్కడ కింద కూడా 1 2 3 4 కనిపిస్తుంది చూడండి.
ఇక్కడే అంటున్నావా?
ఇక్కడ కింద.
ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది కదా
అది కాదు, ఇక్కడ కింద చూడండి, డౌన్లో మొత్తం.
టోస్ట్.
అది సార్.
ఇది కామెంట్ చేసాయి ఈ లైన్.
మొత్తం క్లోజ్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ కనిపించదు ఇంకా.
ఇది వస్తుంది కాబట్టి రావట్లేదు, అలాగే వస్తుంది.
Done, sir.
So this is writing bar. So now we will see some other
Seek
command.
bar.
Seek bar. So we will see one by one. In this, we done text view button, image view not yet completed. If we completed. So we'll see image view. So just type drag and drop in the image view. So we need to select the image. Or like last time already we pasted our own, right? So if you want, you can paste the image in a bitmap folder. So, but here when you drag and drop, you need to modify one thing. So this image source is coming from the tools, but tools can accept only for the latest source. Means resource is coming. This tools resource is only acceptable in the latest version. So you need to change the basic resource, standard resource. So that is from the bitmap. I think answer I given. Okay, for this we will give the list. So binding dot image view dot set on click new on click. So this is the basic listener which we given initially for the button, right? So that list. So here also we'll set the text for the binding dot TV dot set text. So here I'm writing that you click the image. Like similar we will see image button also. After this we will see image button. Now I'm clicking on this to click image. So like this. So then here we will drag and drop image button. So this in this we not yet discuss anything. This we will discuss later. So here button we discuss, check box, radio group, radio button, toggle, switch. Almost the maximum we discussed here. So then now I'm dragging and drop the image. So even here also it is saved. You can check the resource. So you can take a search. Okay, SRC compact. Okay, SRC compact will work, but it will work from Android 7.0. But nowadays it's Android 7.0 only, so no worry on this. It will work. So now we will apply the listener for this. Binding the image button. Set on click listener for this also. So set on click listener. New on click listener. So here I'll apply this image button. See, I'm clicking on this. Click the image button. So like select the image button. So this I will see. So then after this, so what are the other components are there here? So tomorrow class we will see this. If you've done this now, how to create a forms like a registration form, login form, everything covered in this. So how to cover this form and that we will see in this. So in the buttons, presently almost done. Then when we discuss the advanced material design, then we will cover the remaining components.
Okay, sir.
So in widgets also we completed the rating was simple. So this all will come one by one with the rating. Two things will completed, next things will come later. The layout will see in this constant layout is pending, so that also will see. So this is completely the advanced. So we'll see later that one by one.
That's
Okay, today you can practice on this. Tomorrow we'll see the form page.
okay, sir. That's thank you.